another video और आपका आज वीडियो हम लेकर आए, इसका टाइटल है
Karan and Teju on the most blingy shoe collection, 6 wardrobes with card access, Sunday brunch।
तो चलिए देख लेते हैं ये वीडियो, लेकिन से पहले
इस वीडियो चैनल का ओरिजिनल लिंक आपको हमारी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा, सब्सक्राइब किया, लाइक शेयर को फॉलो किया चैनल को, उसके अलावा लोग चैनल लेकर शाम लिंक भी हमारी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा, सब्सक्राइब किया, लाइक शेयर को फॉलो करें।
चलिए देख लेते हैं ये वीडियो।
रियलिटी शो में 3 महीने एक साथ रहने के बाद द इट कपल has finally moved in together on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get you a sneak peek into Karan and Teju's world. Hi, Karan. Welcome to our house. So good to see you all. And thank God तुम लोग दुबई पूरी तरह से शिफ्ट नहीं हुए हो. Still here.
Yes.
In Mumbai. And why not? Look at your house, so beautiful.
Welcome.
Thank you. सबसे पहले तो ये I am quite impressed by just the foyer area, just the entry area. और क्या है इन cupboards में?
कुछ नहीं.
किसकी collection है यहाँ पर?
क्योंकि मेरा साइज बड़ा ना पैर का, इसलिए थोड़ा डोमिनेट हो जाता है.
That
Otherwise,
is actually true.
yes.
Because his shoes are like very chunky, very big, so they take so much space.
Yeah.
In that much space, I can actually fit in like 2 pair. 1 pair, हाँ. One
So
pair.
can we get a glimpse into
Good God.
the collection?
I'll have to get my card.
मतलब ये शूज कार्ड्स एक्सेस चाहिए इसे खोलने के लिए?
इसको एक्सेस चाहिए खोलने के लिए, क्योंकि हमारे अच्छे वाले शूज भी सारे यहीं पे हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि नॉर्मल शूज यहाँ पर रखे हैं और अच्छे शूज अंदर रखे हैं.
Guys, you all are perfect for Desi Bling, aren't you all? You all are qualified to be in that show.
We are little bling. All of it are his only. और मेरा वाला सेक्शन बहुत डर्टी है, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगा था कि काम्या लोगों के जूते भी देखती है, क्योंकि पिछली बार जब काम्या मेरे घर पे आई थी तभी काम्या ने मुझे अपने जूतों के बारे में नहीं पूछा था. काम्या,
Look at this collection.
These are my bling section.
This is only when you're traveling to
तुम्हारे
Dubai.
पास 3 से 4 हो
No,
जाए
I'm bling here also.
Okay.
Born and raised in Punjab.
लेकिन ऐसे पहली दफा
But
देखा।
this is all Karan, Teju. What
I'll
about
tell you, जब because मैंने मूव इन लेट किया था और तभी करण के बहुत शूज थे, तो देखो ना, पर ये बहुत डर्टी है. So don't judge, everything's just kept like that only.
No, please judge. Please see how I keep my shoes and please see how she keeps her
Please
shoes.
don't judge, okay?
Oh my God, I love this. Versace, Fendi, Louis
But then otherwise,
Vuitton.
comfort में I like my Loro Piana.
आप लोगों ने तो मुंबई में ही दुबई बनाया हुआ है.
But मुंबई में like if अगर मुझे regular आप देखोगे तो you'll see me like
Those are bags.
either in this yellow Loro Pianas or like this white Hermes. They're very good chappal वैसे.
These I chose for her.
Oh, I have
Those
the
are
same
the
one.
red
Yeah,
ones.
the Gucci, pink
ones.
Gucci.
The pink Gucci one.
But then I'll tell you what, he has taken over and he was like, I want this space and this is mine. So he got to organize it properly.
Oh,
like I
okay.
didn't get enough space.
हम
Next
मेरे
level.
वार्डरोब में पूरा 50-50 डिवाइड हुआ है. ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है, तेजू आ रही है 50-50. अब वहाँ पर देख लेना.
No.
जब अभी बोल रही ना इसको सेक्शन नहीं मिले, वहाँ
Okay,
पे
I will
सेक्शन
show
देखना.
them the other room
वहाँ
also
पे
then.
वहाँ पे हाँ सारा कुछ दिखा.
Because all of your stuff has gone into, okay, we have 4 bedrooms and he has clothes in all the 4 bedrooms, and in the bedroom that is ours he's kept थोड़े से अच्छे कपड़े. Okay, my कपड़े, all of my कपड़े are only in that one room.
You
He
said
all
you should have been
Now
equally
I'll show
divided.
them.
ज्यादा जगह मिली
Now
थी
I'll
ना.
show them
When I
only.
gave
Now
her
you see.
equal जगह तब देख लो आप.
Now I'll show.
Wait. घर बहुत खूबसूरत है, guys. I have to say, beautiful house.
Thank you.
दोनों लड़ रहे हैं एक दूसरे से हैं.
Who's been involved in the interiors?
Completely
Yeah.
correct.
लड़ नहीं रहे।
प्यार
That's
कर
why he
रहे हैं.
made space
Okay.
for himself.
Yeah. No, but so when I bought the house is when Teju and Teju's mom also were here, and it was the parents' call. My dad actually when he entered, he said यही घर खरीदना है. And then
He actually even bought the house because my mom was like, you have to buy a house.
Our Jalandhar boy has got a beautiful house in Bandra. Also, both of you, of course, doing extremely. I have been to her house also.
Yes.
और उन्होंने मुझे इतना अच्छा गुड़ी पाड़वा स्पेशल मील खिलाया था.
Yeah.
Last time she spent 6 to 8 hours in the kitchen. Today
I did.
I
Yeah.
can tell by the way she's looking. आज कोई time kitchen में spend नहीं किया.
कुछ
No, that's Tejasvi for you. 5 minutes ago, you'll see a completely different Tejasvi. In 5 minutes, she looks like this.
No, because also that was Gudi Padwa. It's so close to my
Yes.
heart, and I really wanted to prepare everything for
Thank
you.
you.
खुद मतलब अपने हाथों से. So I made the whole. You were there when I was doing the prep.
Yes, I remember the prep.
And
yes.
he done the tasting and everything, and he was like, "Fab."
It was amazing. Very beautiful balcony. Can we go there?
This is
Of
my
course.
spot.
This is Teju's spot. Teju and Majnu's spot.
Majnu.
Majnu is the little one.
The little dog.
तो आप दोनों के अलावा यहाँ पर 2 पपीज भी हैं.
यहाँ पर 3 puppies हैं. तेजू सबसे बड़ी है.
Why does this feel so wobbly? Like what
So
is it?
there's a paddle pool
There's a swimming pool
underneath.
inside it.
Oh.
Yeah.
No joke.
So we just take off
Lunch pool, yeah.
these panels and it's all water and we can.
So cool.
Yeah.
अच्छा और यहाँ पर कौन ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करता है?
मैं.
Nice.
She's always
It's so
here.
nice when I
Yeah.
just come in the
यहाँ पे
morning.
pool
I
था.
sit, I have my chai, I do a little bit of malasana. Like that morning, I don't drink chai.
Yeah.
So that morning warm water with haldi I drink here,
Right.
and I
Yeah.
just look out in the sun. Just take some sun in the morning. मेरी
Yeah,
सुबह
I
वैसे
take
थोड़ी
care of the
late
bar.
होती है. Also, we've got a section of the barbecue outside if in case you just want to have like a proper pool and like a barbie outside. That's also not used. yet.
Okay.
ये सब झामे हमने घर पे किए तो है.
क्योंकि तूने promise किया था. I was like, do you
But
need a
now
barbecue?
I'm
Yes.
going to start making
Never
some
use the
chicken
barbecue.
skewers. So
Yes.
Are you guys somebody who would like to host a lot of people, throw a lot of parties?
Yeah,
You'll enjoy
absolutely.
that.
Yeah, but not a lot. We're very
No, our friends.
selective of
Okay.
the people we hang out with.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are one of them.
Okay. So
You must
next
come.
invitation मुझे मिलना चाहिए next
And
time.
promise कि तू barbecue use करेगी. This is the first interview anybody has come to a house. This is where my dad stood.
Wow.
And he was like, यही घर खरीदना है.
No wonder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you are inspiring me also to get a house somewhere here where we can see. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is then very windy and it's just beautiful when it's monsoons.
Yeah.
It's just amazing.
This is gorgeous.
मेरा सेक्शन ये है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, organized. Everything is t-shirts, shirts, jackets, trousers, everything.
Wow.
उसका सेक्शन देखो.
All of my good stuff is
Look
kept
at
in the
this.
other section. This is all
Yeah,
my
but
regular stuff. Sorry.
खोल के दिखाओ. मेरे को रहना है इसके साथ अभी और.
Oh, by the way, this particular wall is so amazing. Since when have you been staying in this house?
2 years ago.
2 years
It
ago.
took me
And
2
Teju,
years.
When did you move?
I moved. I mean, it was always a soft move-in.
Right.
So I would stay here, beach mein. But now in the month of January is when I properly moved in.
Okay.
This year January. So it's been what 5 months.
Are you enjoying here?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like
Doesn't
Bandra?
feel like anything new, different. I've always been from Mumbai.
Even the
so
first, like after the puja, then the Pandit ji was like, "अब यहाँ पे रहना भी पड़ेगा आज." So I was like, "Oh, we didn't know this." So we had that, we remember we spent the first
Yeah.
night in that room. So we made a makeshift thing just right
it
after
was
the
just
puja.
a mattress and we just stayed
Yeah.
there because they were like कि पूजा होते ही you should stay one
And
one
cook
day.
something
Right.
in the kitchen. So,
So we made like prasad.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet.
so if you look at it from here,
Huh.
it's a shelf that does books, right?
Right, yeah.
So then you push this, and this is my washroom.
Oh. मैं तो ढूंढती रह जाती कहाँ है.
हाँ.
That's a
this
nice one.
And we have a view. We have a
Yes.
jacuzzi. Both of me and Teju, we like salt baths. So
Nice.
That's for that.
And very thoughtfully bathtub में 2 लोगों की सीट है.
हाँ तो मैं मरना था.
एक सीट लगवा के.
This is also very nice, like an open closet that you have here.
When I grew up, my house in Punjab had something like this, so I wanted
Okay.
it.
अच्छा आप दोनों में who's the bigger shopaholic?
He used to be a
Yeah,
bigger
he used to
shopaholic. I think now it's me.
Who takes longer to get ready?
That's me.
Who's more observant?
इसको ये नहीं पता था चल का रही है कौन सा observant.
Huh, like that? Okay, observant and like aware of your surrounding if you meant that, then him. But like
Okay.
observant of another person and what like that person really is
Yeah.
and like what they're trying to say doesn't match with who they are, like that way, that's me.
So I'm going to test how observant are you because we have a game which is called Spot the Change, okay? तो मैंने आपके Instagram से और इंटरनेट से कई सारे images लिए हैं and I have made some minor tweaks to these images and you've got to tell me what changes have I made and I've used the photo assist feature on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.
Gemini.
So you can take a look at
S26
these
Ultra,
pictures
हाँ.
and tell me क्या अलग है. Karan, this one's for you first.
My bike's gone.
Oh, I didn't know this picture only.
Your bike's gone.
My Harley's not there.
Yeah. But you seem to be very big on cars and bikes, right?
Yeah, he is.
अभी भी कह रहे थे दुबई में इनको और 2 Lambo लेनी है.
She'll not let me.
But do you usually
No,
like?
of course he can take a Lamborghini if he wants. It's fine.
But do you guys discuss before purchases कि मैं ये ले रहा हूँ या सीधा लेकर?
We plan.
Yeah, I mean he asks me.
हाँ.
I'm thinking of taking the G-Wagon, and then I say no, and then he just gets it. But then I genuinely ask, like, this is the car I'm thinking of getting.
Yeah.
So when I got the Q7, I obviously, like, he was the first one who took the test drive.
Yeah.
And he was like, wow, this is an amazing car. Like, it's perfect for you.
Yeah.
It's also my first SUV. So I was like, okay, fine. So then I genuinely ask. He just asks as a formality.
She said conversation. Conversation तो होती है.
Conversation होती है.
So on that note, इसमें क्या missing है?
Oh, the Rubicon's
The
missing.
Rubicon.
This one I know. See, this I know.
See, you
Yes,
love the
sir.
Rubicon as
This
well.
is the
See?
original
Yeah.
picture.
Yeah. And
Where was
where does
this
it look
taken?
up? Without the car, where am I standing then?
मेरे गले पे as usual.
Doesn't make any sense.
But what a-
but
what
it
a
looks
beauty.
like
इसको छोड़. वो what a beauty. Look at her यार.
no, but
You're talking about Teju, right?
So the
Of
rock
course, of
is
course.
not there at all, and the rock has come as an AI thing.
Yes.
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 Wow. Yes, killing it, huh?
तो आप ब्यूटी किसके लिए बोल रहे थे? रूबिकॉन
The
के लिए या
car,
तेजू
the
के
car.
लिए?
The car.
ये वो था दिन था ये मेरी गाड़ी पे चप्पल पहन के चढ़ गई थी.
वो अलाउड नहीं है
ना.
तो क्या पहनना होता है?
I'll put you up
क्या
and put there
पहनना
ना. बिना चप्पल के नहीं bonnet पे. She's standing on the car, on my car, on the bonnet with her chappals and उस.
तो फिर तो scratches आ
It's
सकते
fine.
हैं.
Have you heard
हाँ,
of that
गए थे.
car Rubicon?
Yes.
No, it's an off-roading car.
Yes.
People put it in nonsense, mud and this
So is the
patthar and
G-Wagon, but
whatnot.
that doesn't mean you stand
And
on
he's
it.
got a problem with a chappal, then he doesn't deserve that car according to me.
कार से ज्यादा प्यार है या तेजू से?
car.
Oh.
आप तो ये नहीं खरीद सकते ना. तेजू कहाँ से लाऊंगा? ये अजीब एक ही.
तेजू खरीद नहीं सकते ये बोलो तो.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay, इसमें क्या missing है?
इसमें पीछे
I
का
think the
fireworks.
fireworks.
Wait one
Oh
second.
no, I remember. There's this thing that
हाँ.
Ladar arch में there's decoration.
One
No?
second, I can't see. I'll
No.
tell you what's missing.
My bag, my earrings. No, I'm so self-obsessed.
My
I'll
earring?
tell you the hotel. The
No.
Burj Al Arab is missing.
The Burj Al Arab.
Correct. Here you go.
See, I told you it's the Burj Al Arab that's
Oh,
missing.
I didn't know it was right behind us.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how observant she is, you see.
I just observe what I'm wearing and where are my earrings.
That's
and
not
my-
what she meant, by the way. But ठीक है, we'll give that to you.
Sorry.
But you guys spend a lot of time in Dubai.
Yes, lot of time.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, it just feels like home. It doesn't feel like a vacation. It feels like now we're going there. We're going to be staying in our house, which is not ready. So we've still not like been staying in our house, to be honest. Then there's work in Dubai now,
Yeah.
and we've got such a big circle of friends, and they're all amazing except for a few. So yeah,
Okay. तो मुझे बताओ, लेकिन do you all ever think of permanently moving into Dubai?
why not? Yeah, I know of a lot of actors who have moved there and then they come here to work, and
See,
it's just
I
a
think
2.5 hour flight.
permanent means that you just pick up everything and go. We can't do that.
Yeah,
Because our
but you
roots are
don't
here.
have to.
Yeah.
It's such a
Because
short flight.
Dubai, they've created, which is, what they say, Dubai is the best city to live in India.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah,
best thing to
yeah.
do. You work here, you have your houses, you have your setup here.
Yes.
Whenever you get 1 week off, go to Dubai,
Yeah.
spend some time and come back.
But you did a show called Desi Bling, which is of course all Desis in Dubai. Is there a difference between Desis here, India
Oh
के
my
और
God.
Dubai के Desis?
Oh, big
You've
time.
done so many interviews. Has anybody
You
opened
know-
their doors
you know all
looking
of
like
them.
this?
I have.
Has-
Listen,
you
I
have?
Yes, I have interviewed Satish
Yeah.
and Brinda.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's Dubai.
I have
That's
met Adil
Dubai.
and
Rizwan bhai.
and Rizwan
But
bhai.
Adil
so,
and Rizwan Jis are not as flamboyant, even if they can be. They're very subtle like that.
See,
But Satish and Binda, I totally get.
Desis in the UAE, they are living their life. They have access to all the stuff that it needs to live a good life, and they're doing it, and they love it. They love to show it. They love to go out. They love to wear. But it gets a little.
it's tiring to
Yeah.
be dressing up and looking
Yeah,
good
but
all
then
the
that's
time. or-
all. See, it's mostly the women who are like dressed like like full on like out there. In men, I think Satish ji is one exception.
And he loves it. He loves his Swarovski jacket. And
Yeah,
his bling.
Satish
Yeah.
He loves life.
Yeah. पैसा बोलता है, पैसा खुदा तो नहीं है पर
खुदा से
खुदा
कम
की
नहीं है।
कसम,
हम
खुदा से कम भी नहीं है।
हम बॉलीवुड को यहाँ घर पे बुला के नचाते हैं। That is very true,
But,
and we've
अरे,
got
he's-
video proof of it.
Yeah.
He-
And he's really like that. He's not making it up for
No,
the
he's
camera.
not. No.
Not fake.
Talking of the show, tell me what is it that I have changed here?
Wait a second.
There's somebody not present. No, wait. There's.
No, everybody's present.
Hey, New York skyline क्यों है वहाँ पे? That's the Empire State Building.
Teju was still checking मेरा bag
कपड़े
क्या
देख लिया, वो
है.
bag. I was not wearing these shoes. Why was I wearing these shoes? No, this is
No,
not.
I thought like that one flick
And
they
she's
must have
like,
changed.
why is Elise sitting like that? ऐसे ही चल रहा होगा.
Yeah, I was like, is Pummy even there in this
पीछे
picture? Why
Empire
is she
State Building
there?
के पड़ी है, उसको
My
पूछा
point
नहीं.
was, why is Pummy even there in this picture?
My
Why
God.
is Pummy there in this picture? Oh my
Yeah,
God.
y'all should have removed her. Would have been much better shots. It's fine.
So now you and Pammi are friends or not friends?
Best friends. We love each other. We can't live without each other.
I get the sarcasm there.
But no, but I'll be very honest. So me, Pummy and Binda, we had some issues on the show. But after the show, I think we've gotten in a little better space. But then इसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है. Pummy, shut up. When they start shooting again, then उनके अंदर फिर से कौन सा भूत आ जाएगा? I don't know. But so far they've been nice. After the show.
Listen guys, आप लोग दोनों तो नहीं लड़ रहे हो ना? हमने
Yeah,
कुछ
we are
देखा.
fighting. In this interview only कितना
Because
हुआ जूतों
whatever
के सेक्शन में,
happens-
कपड़े के सेक्शन में, यहाँ के सेक्शन में, खाने के सेक्शन में ऐसा है.
Because anything that happens in the universe is my fault. She dreams something, it's my fault.
No.
तो वो घूम फिर के मेरे ऊपर आना होता है. We
No.
fight. Yeah.
सिर्फ अगर तेजू बीमार भी पड़ती है तो ब्लेम उस
अरे,
पर.
It's
सपने में
just
मैंने कुछ
playing
किया,
the
वो भी-
sympathy card, babe.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Finally, what's missing here?
Karan. There's so much
She's-
I noticed.
इतने प्यार से वो किसी को नहीं
Because
देखेगी.
your arm was covering my arms. So why? See, that's why.
Yeah.
But I wonder इतना लड़ कर भी इतने लवी डवी कैसे होते हो and how long can you go without talking to each
5
other?
minutes.
Fights are so superficial, yeah.
Yeah.
Real couple who actually fight will not fight in between an interview or in front of camera. They're going to be like, "तू बस घर पे आ." And like I've seen so many couples. I've hung out with them, partied with them. They look like so much in love, and then you get to know a completely different story. Like you never know what's happening in the
पर
house.
आप लोग जब भी घर पे आ होता है सीन तब वैसे भी तो लड़ते होगे ना?
अभी
off
परसों
camera.
लड़े हम
कब लड़े थे?
पापा के रूम में. 5 minutes later we forgot.
Yeah, I don't even
because
remember.
पर कैसे ऐसे
भूल भी गई.
थोड़ा सा चिल्लम चिल्ली होती है and throwing things at each other and all?
No, nothing. No serious fights.
Okay. So can we start? I want to know what's on the menu today.
Oh, today we are taking you to Dubai. So should we start?
Yeah, let's
Come,
go.
please come.
अच्छा, वहाँ की
मिठाइयाँ।
desserts, हाँ, कुनाफा.
And I've also got you all some baklava and
Oh,
dates
wow.
from Harams. Tell me, आप लोग ने दुबई में क्या-क्या खाया इतने टाइम आप जब रहे?
oh we went mad.
I think we
Overboard.
ate all of these things except for this. What is this?
This is lokum. It's a sweet Turkish dish.
Oh,
Yes.
Kunafa,
like I don't
Kunafa.
mind trying.
Yeah.
shawarma.
We've got Greek eggs, shawarma, platter.
Do you all have a favorite place in Dubai to go and eat at?
We have one very tiny place.
A hole in the wall place. We land and we tell our chauffeur to take us straight there. It's
It's
4
Indian,
tables.
huh? It's not Lebanese
4
food.
tables, yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy Indian food like
क्या
aloo
नाम
matar,
बताओ?
Bravo Star. It's a very tiny
I don't know if
place.
people know about the Sheikh Zayed Road.
Yeah.
Very
Okay.
tiny place.
I feel like all the workers go there, but other than that, like that's our Indian food craving place.
Right.
And there's
But
Zuma.
otherwise, my number one place is always. I mean, in Dubai, it's always
For
been
all
Zuma.
Desi Bling people, we would end up being there. You know, all of us
Yeah.
love the food. All
Yeah,
of us
that
love
sounds
Dubai.
more like a desi bling place.
Yeah, yeah. She took me to this place where all these countries. What was that place? Global Village.
Global
Oh my God,
Village.
yeah.
Yeah.
We would take a time off, me and Teju, and we would just go just to eat.
For
And there was a
different
time when I
countries.
would just order for like chicken or like rolls from Al Baik.
Yeah.
And,
And we would party and go to these. Go to what were these
Pakistani restaurants. Yeah.
Yeah.
We would go there to eat like nice mutton and roti.
अच्छा लगा जान के.
Can I have some falafel?
I can live on.
How often do you go to Dubai?
I also go because we have an office in Dubai.
Yeah.
Pearly Tales Middle East. I would go every month. So now we're going to play a game. Who's most likely to Desi Bling edition? Okay. So who's most likely to throw a party for absolutely no reason?
Satish.
Okay. Who's most likely to gift everyone a Birkin?
Satish. But Binda will not let that happen. She'll keep all for herself.
Which billionaire would still ask for a discount?
I think like Rizwan bhai.
Yeah?
Because
Huh.
he'll
Smart
be like,
like that.
he's very smart. He teaches us
Yeah.
also smart things.
Yeah.
So I think he'll be the one who'll be like, I want the most value out of everything. I see
Yeah.
you I'm a billionaire.
Yeah.
Which billionaire wife is the most chill?
None of them.
No. Sana is so chill.
Yeah, Sana is very chill.
I love her.
Which billionaire wife is likely to suspect everyone around them?
Duty.
Irina? Oh yeah. I
She doubts everything.
Who's most likely to have the most dramatic rich people problems?
Binda Bhabhi, for sure.
I don't think she'll have any rich people problem.
She's okay with 40 kilos of gold. No problem.
No problem.
Yeah.
Where do I keep this problem?
Who's most likely to peep in someone else's phone?
Lily.
Me and Lily, I was just going to say that.
Lily and
We've
Teju.
done that. Yeah.
Also you? Yeah?
We've done that. Yeah.
And between the two of you, क्या एक दूसरे के phone में peep करते हो?
Peep.
Like you check my phone. I never check his phone.
कल परसों मेरा फोन लेके बैठी थी तो उसने WhatsApp को like now I'm gonna check.
And
But she didn't. Even I don't.
he does.
At the start of your relationship, तब भी एक दूसरे का phone नहीं check करते थे?
We
तभी
didn't have
करते थे.
phones.
तभी करते थे.
3 months, 4 months
हाँ.
of our.
हाँ, पर वापस आकर.
I mean, तभी I think we both used to like check and मेरे को password बता and all of that.
देखो मेरे पास तो on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra I have a privacy display जिससे मेरे फोन पे कोई भी नहीं देख सकता. Who's the more possessive one between the two of you?
I am.
Yeah.
I always have my eyes on her. You know, if she's wearing something.
And I think he thinks that I'm likable. You have to be like, you have to really think and put your partner into a really nice place to be possessive about that person. Otherwise, if you know their partner's lame, then they're going to be like, kahan hi jayega chhod.
I think that's how she is.
No.
Like, "Kahan hi
No,
jayega?"
I just like him too much, and I know that he likes me a lot also.
Yeah.
So I think it's from his actions that I know that I can be like less possessive in comparison to how possessive I used to be. So now it's a switch.
Oh, is it? Okay,
Yeah,
so
now.
you also used to be possessive.
Yeah,
at some
crazy
point.
possessive. But now no.
Now no. But do you enjoy the possessiveness? Yeah, annoying लगता है.
I like
I mean,
it
when you're
she's
possessive, you enjoy it.
Yeah. Like अगर
This
ऐसे
is more
कोई-
peaceful, babe.
अगर हम शूट
Yeah.
कर रहे होते हैं कोई ऐसे लड़की ज्यादा पास आ रही होती है तो I want her to get a little angry ना तो otherwise तो फिर मजे ही नहीं आएंगे.
But now my thinking is so different now. I mean, now I look at like a scenario from like a very fair perspective. Like, was he the one who went ahead and like, let's just say danced, okay? Or was it the girl who came and is trying too hard, getting into DMs, doing this, blah, 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 blah. Then now, initially I used to be angry, like, why is she doing that? Now I feel bad for them. Now I just feel sorry for them.
Okay, why do you feel sorry for them?
Because it's so sad. I mean, you're a girl, like the guy should be behind you.
Oh, like that.
You're the one going ahead, like all it takes for you is like 2 drinks. What the hell? That's very cheap. Like,
okay.
and I've seen girls like that. But it's I feel you can only feel very bad for them. Like they have zero self-worth.
Okay, आप दोनों में sorry कौन पहले बोलता है?
That is me now. आजकल. आजकल I say sorry first. आजकल I say sorry first, Sana.
Okay.
You know I do, Sunny. You know I do.
No, she started saying sorry now.
You know, it's so amazing. आप दोनों को बस देखते हुए ही लगता है कि content produce हो रहा है. No wonder you guys are like the favorite actors for any reality show that comes up. But do you also personally enjoy doing reality shows more than TV serials? You started your career, both of you in fact started your career with a lot of acting. But
Yeah.
you enjoy this more, or what is it?
No.
Fun wise, if you talk about Desi Bling, I think this was an adventure because something like this hadn't happened. Something like this hadn't happened on Netflix. It was a completely
Not in India.
not in India, and it's a format which is very well accepted worldwide. But I mean, it was like Dubai and all these people who are Indians. It's Netflix. We guys are from this part. Everything was very exciting about Desi Bling. So we were like, the decision is: do we want to put ourselves in something like this because like
Yeah.
You're gonna get judged, you're gonna get all of this. So I think it was the excitement for the format of something very cool on Netflix, which I think made us say yes to this one. And I think we had a blast. I don't know what's on the episodes yet, but we had a blast shooting for this.
But tell me, you've been in the business for more than 10 years, both of you? Yeah.
10 years for me.
10 years for you.
Yeah.
And still remain likable for all these years. You guys have a fandom of their own. एक उन्होंने star भी आप दोनों के नाम पे रखा है, right? आपके fans ने Tej Run, right? That's what it's
Yes.
called. What is the secret there? And how do you still manage to, you know, in the industry जहाँ इतने सारे लोग हैं, you know, it's so normal कि लोग भूल भी जाते हैं कई सारे
Yeah.
It's very
actors को.
difficult to remain relevant. I think it takes a little bit of guts to experiment. As I said, take the siblings example. A lot of people would not opt for a show like this.
Yeah.
You never know if it's going to work for them, if it's not going to work for them. Even a show like Big Boss, it doesn't work
Yeah.
for everybody. So you have to be a little fearless, a little adventure. And you have to have that streak of adventure. Me and her are very, very similar that way. हमें पंगे लेके बहुत मजा आता है. Yeah. So when it comes to that, you have to be a little less. You know, I've seen people after a while they become a little too much about, oh, I've reached here now. Now I have to do this.
Yeah.
They overthinking about what project should I
They
do.
just get image conscious.
Image
Yeah.
conscious,
Yeah.
or you know.
And I feel like people who are image conscious are the ones with like a lame image. They have something to hide. People
Yeah.
can't fake for too
Yeah.
long. I don't have anything to be conscious about. Like I'm like, this is how I am, like
Yeah.
good or bad.
Yeah.
And that's the best part about us. Like people have accepted us for our good, and people also know that this is their khamia
Yeah.
or these are their flaws.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think they know that we blatantly accept it, and like that's why they
Yeah, and I
accept
think it
us.
takes courage to take risk, to be completely yourself, and then when you don't have much to hide, then you can be the same on camera or off camera.
Yeah.
That's the
You know,
vibe
the
you
best
get.
part is
Yeah.
that we've never thought about. I've seen people who are a certain way when the cameras are rolling.
People are media trained.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And
तो आप लोग के कोई ऐसे रूल्स हैं कि हम लोग कैमरा के आगे बस ये नहीं करेंगे, बाकी सब कर लेंगे, but not this.
आज जितनी भी थी वो चीजें सारी दिखा दी इसने. अब उसमें भी क्या ही रह गया अब
if you
जिंदगी
know,
में.
sometimes we are somewhere very far away. Like we were on this trek, you know, and we found this Shiv Mandir. So we didn't know we were getting captured by the people who were there. You know, like the tourists and everything.
Did we?
Yeah, I was just looking at that, and we don't care. We were, and ये ना मेरे को खींच रही है, चल हाथ जोड़ ये सब कर, and this is not. So we don't. Even when we are in Goa or Dubai or any of these places, even in Mauritius, we don't have to change anything about us. And that's the best part. We are not conscious कि यहाँ पे लोग देख रहे हैं या कैमरा रोल हो रहा है. I see people who are like, bro, we are outside, cameras must be rolling. I'm like, so क्या करूँ, मतलब मैं मेकअप कर लूँ क्या? I love that about us.
But also, do you think people in Dubai are judgmental towards Indians and just how you dress, जैसे आप dress कर रहे हैं, कैसे आप कौन से bags carry
Yes,
कर रहे हैं?
yes.
And is that not a lot of pressure? मतलब मुंबई में तो हम चप्पल पहनकर भी
हाँ.
बाहर चले जाते हैं,
Yeah.
but it's a crime to do that in Dubai.
Yeah, you can't hang out like that in Dubai, which I think is one of like
Maybe
if
अमीर
that
लोग
is
के
one
बीच में
bad
होगा.
thing I would say about Dubai. Like even before you try and get to know the other person for the person and that or the intelligence that person brings with him or her, you kind of judging that person on the basis of what the person's wearing. So you never really dive in deep to know the other person
Yeah.
truly. That is one thing that you do miss out there.
Remember when we went to both of them मैंने ego purchase किया ना? I showed them who's boss.
बताना क्या हुआ था?
Remember, so we were us, you know, like very jhalla ban ke we were.
And
moving.
it was his birthday shopping that we
Ah.
bought for.
So we entered Cartier and they were like, you'll have to wait for half an hour. We'll call you.
I mean, there was a queue. I mean,
And
there
then
was
that's
waiting.
exactly what I proved. You know, and then we went up. We went to Van Cleef and she bought me this. Which is, you know, and then we came out of there. We had the Van Cleef ka bag, and then when we entered with that into the Cartier showroom, now they don't need. Suddenly they don't need the waiting times and this and that.
So we just entered the shop with the Van Cleef bag,
and it changed.
and then this one person noticed the Van
Yes.
Cleef bag, and she was like, oh wait, and we were wearing very basic clothes
Yeah,
because we
yeah.
were not wearing like I was generally in my shorts and my chappal. So we were like, we should have probably like looked a little better, but then that doesn't mean that somebody who doesn't look it cannot buy it. So like
Yeah.
that's so when we entered, now all of these people are like, we have a Christmas new Stanley. Do you want to take a picture with our this
so
one?
I went.
with
I
our
said,
Santa?
give me the most expensive watch that you have in this shop right now. And then they went. If they took out something, and then they're like, "Oh, this is
my
big. It will be like that."
God.
Give them the card, swiped it. ऐसे मतलब.
Can we see the most expensive watch that was
उनके
there?
उनके वहाँ पर जो थी.
उनके shop
It was this.
This watch,
it's
it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's.
But this is an ego purchase.
Absolutely.
And that only
Good
happened
same.
because of this.
Because of this, I told them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Look at that.
there was this one time in between shoots, because we don't have our stylists there, right?
Yeah.
So I had to pick up something from the mall. I went there quickly, so I was just talking to the style consultant, and I was like, what do I pick up for this scene and everything. So it was like this badminton or paddle scene. So I went to the mall. She was showing her things and everything, and then I went and I was like, I want to pick this up. I was looking normal, and these people don't know. Comes out my platinum Amex, okay, and then I'm like, jaldi karo, mujhe shoot pe jana hai, guys, I need to go. They went inside, they checked if I was the person who was carrying the card, and then he's come and asked me questions. He's like, oh, so where are you from? I said, why do you want to know where am I from? And later I figured they wanted to see if that card was actually mine or not. This has happened, yeah.
फिर किया एक और ego purchase.
नहीं, time नहीं था मेरे पास. I was like, listen.
पर ऐसे ego purchases बहुत होते हैं. Like even when I had gone shopping, I just bought this one, let's just say Prada jeans, and no, which one was it? I think it was a Gucci jeans, and then because the Gucci bag was there, Prada showed me better pants, and then I bought a Prada jeans. Then I went to Versace, then I bought a Versace jeans. तो एक अच्छी bag लेते हैं ना, तो बाकी सारे shops दिखाते हैं. Even it even happened with Binda. Like when she'd gone to Chanel.
And yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. It's not like we are going there like बहुत ही खराब दिख रहे हैं. We are looking like how we are.
Okay looking,
Yeah.
हाँ.
It's just anyway.
But
But
I think-
other than that, we've been given a lot of love.
But I really think that luxury brands should change, right? उनको इस तरह से किसी को judge नहीं करना चाहिए when somebody is
But
walking
फिर वो
into
luxury
their
brands
store.
बिकने बंद हो जाएंगे.
Yeah.
It's the fakeness that they've created, this exclusivity, this waiting period, this drama. You have to buy 1 crore ka stuff, then we'll give you the better bag.
Yeah.
If they don't do all of this, then the people are not gonna. People are buying all of this to be a certain way and to fit into a certain thing. So
Right.
if they're not talking about all of this, कि हाँ मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, why would they sell?
And then everybody would be on like.
Yeah.
सब लोग ही
But good to see both of you in Bling. एक और fun segment है. हम
Yes.
दोनों ने आप दोनों से कुछ सवाल पूछे हुए हैं. Okay? Of how well do you know each other? ठीक है? Quick answers. आप दोनों को एक दूसरे के बारे में बताना है. Okay?
हाँ.
So let's start with Teju's comfort food. What is it?
I mean, it can be pizza and also it can be ice cream.
Baba?
No.
No?
Said
It's pizza.
Oh, of course, yeah, pizza.
And what is Karan's comfort food?
I think aloo and gobi ke parathe.
Now, can I change my answer
No.
on the spot?
No.
I just want to change my answer.
Yeah, actually, pizza is.
She said pizza.
That's cheese right.
But I want to change my answer.
For your comfort
Yeah, yeah.
food. But now let's see what you want to change to.
Idli sambar.
Yeah? Is that
I
the
can have
answer?
idli sambar every day of my life without getting bored. My comfort food is idli sambar. Like as I said, I can have that every day.
Okay.
Parathas I can't have every day. Although I look like I eat parathas every day. But
Okay. So you know. Okay, एक word जो तेजू बहुत बोलती है.
Ek baba.
Baba.
Correct. I told you he will get this right.
करण को सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा किस बात पर आता है?
मुझे incompetence पे.
Then I keep the dogs on the bed.
Oh good God, yes, I hate it.
See, he doesn't know his own answers. Incompetency?
See,
I'm incompetent?
No, you're not incompetent. You're worse than that.
I am just choosing. What do you mean I'm worse than incompetent?
The dogs they look really cute and nice, but they are.
And if you keep the dog on the bed, that's incompetency.
Yes.
All dog lovers, listen to this.
I mean, if they're dog owners, dog parents, they have to be strict. There has to be discipline. इसके खून में DNA में discipline है ही नहीं कहीं.
Yeah, right.
Okay,
That's why I've been
आप-
working.
आप दोनों के respective dogs का नाम क्या है?
Daku.
Majnu.
Daku and Majnu. So Majnu is disciplined or
The dogs are not.
no?
Why are they not?
Because the dogs used to stay in this house.
Why are the
and
dogs
he was
not
going to
disciplined?
get a trainer. But he wants a trainer. I should get the trainer. I should get the food. I should do everything. people should keep his shoes properly, and then I am incompetent. अब तो तू गया.
समझ आ रही है तुम्हें?
अभी तो बिल कैमरा बंद
अगला
होने
सवाल.
के बाद
अगला सवाल.
भाई दो देसी ब्लिंक सीजन 2 का फर्स्ट एपिसोड
Please ask the next question, Kamya, right now.
तेजू को करण की कौन सी बात इरिटेटिंग लगती है?
मेरी पूरी एग्जिस्टेंस उसको इरिटेटिंग लगती है.
All things. I would like to change my answer.
That was my
Everything
answer.
about him is interview.
That was my answer.
Especially,
Everything about me. मेरी existence, my answer is my existence.
especially in giving interviews with him.
Not to curly tail.
Because no, even to curly tails. Because this is not how he normally talks. In interviews, he talks like that.
No, I said my existence is her irritation.
करण का फेवरेट महाराष्ट्रन डिश कौन सा है?
तेजू की मम्मी का मटन.
I had said my mom's mutton.
मॉम्स मटन.
True. That's exactly what I
Oh,
said.
competent. Finally.
Mama, absolutely. You know.
Okay, and तेजू का फेवरेट पंजाबी डिश?
I love बैंगन का भरता.
आलू
His
का
brain.
पराठा.
I like to eat his brain. No.
Yeah, आलू का पराठा. And आलू and paratha and gobi का paratha. She loves it.
Wrong.
What is it? What is it?
बैंगन भरता. But I like आलू पराठा also.
अगर तेजू एक्टर नहीं होती तो वो क्या होती?
I think मैं pilot होती.
Business tycoon.
I said pilot. How can an incompetent person be a
Guys, it was lovely doing this
How
interview.
can his answers
Pilot?
don't even match?
Pilot, पता कितना?
An incompetent person, if not an actor, would have been a business tycoon. मतलब सारे business हमारे सारे अंबानीज are all incompetent. That's why they are business tycoons. वाह 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 वाह. What a logic. वाह.
इसी लॉजिक के हिसाब
वाह.
से तूने जो पायलट चूज किया है comes in the same logic.
Yeah.
मेरे को याद आ रहा है
इसको
कभी
गाड़ी चलाते हुए देख लो उसके बाद इसको कौन पायलट बनाएगा?
I have seen a lot. I'm the only girl he's ever given his car to
That's
drive.
correct.
तो अच्छे चला लेती होंगी ना गाड़ी?
Exactly. Interview is a
Let's just
different
say she'll
Karan
be a better
Kundra. I'm
pilot.
telling you, interview is a different Karan Kundra.
I'm telling them. Let's just say you'll be a better pilot.
वाह.
pilot.
अच्छा अगर करण एक्टर नहीं होता तो वो क्या होता?
Like a multi-billionaire historian. कहीं किसी दो कंट्री से लड़ाई करवा रहा होता कुछ.
Interior designer.
कित्थों मैं इंटीरियर डिजाइनर लग रहा था
You've
मतलब.
done the whole house now, or like a civil, like a builder, like that.
तो क्या
What
था?
did- what
आपका
did you-
आंसर क्या था?
I would have been, as I said, I would have been a diplomat or politics or वो सब कुछ कर रहा
But you
होता.
can still do that.
You can still be a pilot.
No, now she doesn't want to.
हाँ,
Now
खुद का.
it's too much
खुद का.
studying.
अच्छा करण का बेस्ट टैलेंट कौन सा है?
I think driving.
I don't
गेस
know.
करो क्या बोला होगा?
I don't even want to think. क्या बोला होगा इसने? My best talent.
The answer is I don't even know मैं कैसे बताऊं. अच्छा आंसर है वैसे but फिर भी.
An empath host.
Okay.
I bring my emotions into वो. अब मुझे इसका जानना है. मेरे से गलती होगी. मैं क्या आंसर दे रहा था. अब मैं बताता हूँ इसने क्या बोला होगा. ये चाय अच्छी बनाता है टाइप कुछ इसने बोला होगा.
बोला ड्राइवर अच्छा बन सकता है.
मैं आने ही वाला था.
करता है.
मैं आने ही वाला था इस पे.
I never said driver
नहीं,
अच्छा
नहीं,
बन
नहीं.
सकता है. Kamya, be honest.
इसको मैं गोवा लेके गया था अभी पूरी गाड़ी चला के.
Yeah, he
You are
was
very good
fat.
at driving.
Yeah, I said he's very good at
He-
driving. That's his
I
talent.
added some masala.
Yeah, but
मेरा टैलेंट ये है कि मैं गाड़ी अच्छी चलाता
yeah, but you are so good. When you bend and
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ
मुझे बहुत मजा
ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ
I
I
could
was
never
good
driven
because I
like that.
didn't let you drive.
Yeah, I could have never driven like that. I
बुरा
accept
लग गया.
that.
तेजू का कंफर्ट पर्सन कौन है अदर देन करण?
I think my mom.
नहीं है कोई.
और कोई भी नहीं.
मजनू
Nah, good.
माँ आई. वो उनसे भी पूछ लो ना. बेचारी परेशान है जिंदगी से इसकी वजह से.
करण बेस्ट फ्रेंड आपका कौन है?
Me, that is the correct answer, and that better be the correct answer.
मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेरा बेस्ट ह्यूमन ये है. माय फेवरेट ह्यूमन
That is true.
Oh, that's exactly what she said. सिर्फ मैं और कोई भी नहीं.
वो दोनों के आंसर पॉजिटिव मच.
What was
Where
I?
was the first date?
बड़े
and
मुश्किल
what did you wear?
सिचुएशन है.
It was Yazoo, I think. He's wearing a grey silver dress. Observant.
No. I remember we'd gone to a Japanese restaurant,
The name?
and the name, I think it's in Andheri. It's Yazoo,
Yes.
Okay.
and I think I was wearing blue.
Silva.
I don't even remember what I had.
Yeah, this is all Big Boss days and उसके बाद बाहर निकलने के बाद
Yeah.
that was the first date that you all actually.
Yes.
ओके, तो नंबर्स फिर बाहर निकलते ही एक्सचेंज कर लिए आप लोगों ने? मोबाइल भी कितने टाइम
No,
आपके
we didn't
पास?
have the phones.
I had to ask somebody for his number because he had disappeared. So I wanted to go and meet him. So I didn't have his number. So then that's why मैंने अपना ego side में रख के number ले लिया.
नंबर आप
She turned up at my house.
In life,
In life, I messaged first.
ओके
and that too before Big Boss.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Really? We all thought that love story began inside.
No, there was
the
no
group.
love
No,
story.
there was no love story. There was no love story. It was
ऐसे
just like a
ही
hi,
message.
hello
Oh,
type.
Okay, okay, fine.
But I'm going to count it.
मैं पैदा हुआ वो भी वो count कर.
Yeah.
Okay. We are so happy to see you both together on Curly Tales and on Desi Bling. So let's end this on baklava.
A sweet
and,
note,
yes.
On a sweet note.
This is amazing.
This is really good. Okay, you try mine. I'll try yours.
Nice.
Okay, let's try
Why
one.
is it green?
It's pistachio. That's how
Ek
the
dusra.
Arab people do it, Sona. Give me this now. Is yours with chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh,
पतले क्यों बना रही है फिर?
because obviously pistachio
Sorry,
वाला better
guys.
होगा.
No,
What do you
it's
call
okay.
each other?
I call her Chotu. Chotu. She calls me.
Songtia.
Songtea.
हो जाता है.
He calls me Laddu.
Songtea. Oh, Marathi version of your Punjabi nickname. सच बता दो, स्क्रिप्टेड है ना देसी ब्लिंग?
बहुत naturally.
I think it's a proper.
हमने वो.
I don't know. What can we say to this?
The script was written on dirhams.
What are we supposed to say?
You know what I mean?
Except for the last episode.
कुछ और मत बोल देना.
नहीं. Last episode थोड़ा ज्यादा reality है. ज्यादा
reality आ गई. Okay, fine.
वे मजा आया. पता नहीं क्यों ये सिचुएशन देखकर मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि मैं इस सिचुएशन को फेस करी हुई हूँ. मैं ऐसे लोगों के बीच में मतलब रही हूँ और मैं काम्या की सिचुएशन को भी समझ पा रही थी कि जो उनका रिएक्शन आ रहा था कि आपको समझ ही नहीं आती, फिर आप ना डाइवर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हो उस सिचुएशन को और लोगों को
कि यहाँ पे हंसे या चुप रहे.
हाँ.
क्या करे ऐसी सिचुएशन.
अगर आप हंस लो तो किसी एक को बुरा लग जाता है और अगर आप चुप रहो तो दूसरा बंदा कहता है कि आप साइड ही नहीं ले रहे.
जो है ना दोनों की सिचुएशन जो है ना वो यानी कि दोनों कपल अच्छे हैं, लेकिन आपको जो है ना वो काफी ज्यादा होते हैं ना कपल हर टाइम एक नोक झोंक जो है वो नजर आना उनमें छोटा छोटा
कीड़ा काटता रहता है कि
हाँ.
भाई एक दूसरे को तंग करना
हाँ,
है.
वो वाली चीज है ना वो दोनों में नजर आ रही थी. लेकिन भाई घर वाकई बहुत खूबसूरत है.
हाँ, घर तो
है ना?
अच्छा है, नो डाउट. बहुत प्यारा घर. और भाई मैं तो ये देख के डर लगता है यार कसम से कपल्स को देख कर. यकीन
क्यों?
मानो यार, क्योंकि इतनी एनर्जी वेस्ट हो जाती है इसी चीज में कि लाइक यू नो.
अरे नहीं यार, लोग जो है ना इस चीज को एंजॉय जो है वो करते हैं. हमें लगता है कि
हेलो
हाँ?
एंजॉय करते हैं. मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें देखी जहाँ पर लोग तप जाते हैं. और ऑनेस्टली देखो उनका ना मुझे रिएक्शन बड़ा बहुत सारी जगहों पर सही भी लग रहा था कि जैसे उनके फेस एक्सप्रेशन, जैसे उन्होंने उनको ड्राइवर बोल दिया था उनको गुस्सा आ गया था, बुरा फील हुआ था.
हाँ.
जैसे उन्होंने उनको इनकॉम्पिटेंट बोल दिया था उनको बुरा लग गया था. और
वहाँ पे वैसे उनके एक्सप्रेशन काफी सीरियस हो गए, बहुत ज्यादा
बातों में लेकर आना
हाँ.
और एक दूसरे को क्योंकि मैंने एक्चुअली में देखा है ऐसे कपल्स को जो एक दूसरे के सामने ऐसे करते हैं और जो तीसरा बंदा वहां पर होता है वो फंस जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
इवन के खाने की टेबल पर भी फंस जाता है हर सिचुएशन में. लेकिन ये मजा आया क्योंकि लग रहा था कि कुछ ना रियलिटी देख रहे.
बिल्कुल ऐसे भाई रियलिटी थी.
हाँ.
यानी कि बहुत अनफिल्टर्ड थी उनकी चीजें सारी.
हाँ, ये चीज अच्छी लग रही थी. बाकी घर अनडाउटली बहुत खूबसूरत था. और जो उन्होंने अरबिक फूड खाया और जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि भाई जब वो दुबई में जाते हैं और दुबई में मतलब जैसे वो इंडियन फूड के लिए भागते हैं तो ऐसा होता है कि जब आप अपने होम कंट्री से दूर होते हो ना तो आपको वाकई में क्रेविंग होती है. हाँ. अपने वाले उस खाने के मसालों की, खाने की. उसके अलावा जैसे उन्होंने बैग वाली बात बताई कि जो उन्होंने आई थिंक कार्टियर का नाम लिया था. हाँ, ना कि वहां पर वो गए तो भाई हम तो कभी इतनी बड़ी बड़ी शॉप्स पर गए नहीं इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं है. बट येस ये मुझे ज़रूर पता है कि लोग बहुत फेक होते हैं. और पता नहीं क्यों मुझे तो वैसे ना इस चीज़ में सुकून ही नहीं होता यार. ठीक है एक दूसरे को दिखाने के लिए मुझे लगता है कि कभी भी चीज़ें नहीं खरीदनी चाहिए कि हमारे पास ये ब्रांड है, हमारे पास ये ब्रांड है. अपने आप को खुशी महसूस होती है तो फिर जरूर लो, बस इसके लिए, है ना.
बिल्कुल. लेकिन लोग एक दूसरे को दिखाने के लिए, शोशा के लिए जो है ना चीजें ज्यादा
यार अब देखो मैं कहती हूँ कि जैसे उन्होंने बात की कि जो ब्रांड्स है वो ये शोशा इसीलिए करते हैं. वो फेकिज्म इसीलिए हो गया है कि भाई फेकिज्म पता नहीं क्या होता कि नहीं. फेकिज्म मैं भी बोल दिया मैंने,
चले भी नया वर्ड बना ही दिया ना. लेकिन होता इसीलिए है वो उन्होंने क्रिएट किया होता है शशका सा, ठीक है ना.
और सब ब्रांड्स इसी बेस पर चलते हैं, सबको पता भी होता है और सब लोग खरीद भी रहे होते हैं और एक दूसरे के सामने फेक बन रहे होते हैं, बट
बिल्कुल।
पता नहीं फिर बातें भी कर रहे होते हैं। मुझे नहीं समझ आता ये किस तरह से होती है चीजें। बाकी कमेंट सेक्शन में आप अपनी ओपिनियन जरूर दीजिएगा कि आपको कैसा लगा आज का एपिसोड। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम। सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।
गुड बाय।